Welcome to the Strategic Cybersecurity channel brought to you by NKFB. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. We are glad to have you. I'm super excited to wrap up the last episode of this series concerning being a CISO in Africa SWOT analysis. Our main focus today is the threats, the challenge to being a CISO in Africa. One of the first challenges African organizations, basically they are facing an increasingly advanced, persistent threat exposure. Let me be clear on this point. Many African organizations, they lack the fundamental cybersecurity foundation. And in order to deal with advanced persistent threats that sometimes are using 0 days as the attack vector, these type of attack are outpacing the security capabilities of resource-constrained organizations in Africa. We have also an economic volatility and currency instabilities. Economic challenges, currency fluctuation, and market volatility can significantly impact cybersecurity budget, particularly for organizations that are relying on imported security solutions. So this will make long-term security planning. This is going to be very difficult and challenging. We have a talent migration. This is another challenge, brain drain and talent migration. Skilled cybersecurity professionals, they are migrating to markets that is going to offer better compensation, career advancement opportunities, and working conditions. So this shortage of cybersecurity professionals, as I used to say, is a critical business issue. It's going to be very challenging for CISO to build stable teams and maintaining institutional security knowledge. We have also a limited law enforcement capabilities. So we have a weak cybercrime investigation and prosecution capabilities across many African countries. Cyber attack, especially cross-border cybercrime, can go unpunished. And this will create an environment where threats can operate with relative impunity. There is a lot of regional cooperation, but this limits the deterrence of effect of legal consequences. Another challenge, we have political instability and conflict. So if you have an area where you have regional conflicts, political instability, governance challenges, this can disrupt cybersecurity operation. This may affect the organizational stability because CISOs are business enablers. They are thinking about the growth and the revenue. Political instability and conflict can create additional risk factor beyond CISO direct control. So these external factors, they significantly impact operational environment and security planning. Also, in some countries, you have a dependence on aging telecommunication infrastructure, unreliable power grids, and limited internet connectivity. This would create systemic vulnerability that individual and organization cannot fully mitigate. So these infrastructure challenges compound security risk and operational complexity. So we have an infrastructure dependency and vulnerabilities. Let's wrap up with two more challenges. The regulatory compliance evolution. We have a rapidly changing and sometimes conflicting regulatory requirements across different African jurisdictions. This is going to create ongoing compliance challenges. as you have to remember, let me be clear here. Take for example the 2014 EU cybersecurity framework that has not been ratified by many countries. So non-compliance risks include financial penalties, operational restriction, and reputational damage. This can severely impact organizations. And the last threat and challenge that we're going to bring on the table tonight is the international sanction and technological access. So once we have geopolitical tension and international sanction, this can limit access to advanced cybersecurity technology, threat intelligence platform, and vendor support service. So this restriction can constrain CISOs' ability to implement state-of-the-art security solution. In order to wrap up, we talk about the international sanction and technological access restriction. That can be a major challenge or threat for CISO in Africa. The evolution of the compliance regulatory, the infrastructure dependence vulnerability at a high level, political instability and conflict, limited law enforcement capabilities, brand drain and talent migration, and economical volatility and currency instabilities. And we have the evolving cyber threat landscape that is also becoming more complex, more vulnerable for organizations. Aim with all this knowledge, with this SWOT analysis, combined with the knowledge of organization, the profit center, the reason why organizations are in business, a CISO, a world-class CISO, can lay out a robust cybersecurity strategy for the organization they are working with. Thanks for watching.